Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. In the last class, what is completed? Introduction completed. In the last class, what we discussed? We discussed about transversal, corresponding angles, alternate angles, parallel lines, and interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, vertically opposite angles. If the lines are parallel, what I told, if the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. There are four pairs of corresponding angles. I told the properties of corresponding angles also. If the lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. Two pairs of interior alternate angles. If the lines are parallel, they are equal. And I told the properties of alternate angles also. If the lines are parallel, vertically opposite angles are equal. If the lines are parallel, interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. That's what we discussed in the last class. Today we will see, first we will start with page number 76. Do this problem. There is a problem in page number 76. Do this. And already I told you what is complementary angles. A pair of angles whose sum is 90 degrees are known as complementary angles. Two angles are there. If their sum is 90 degrees, they are known as complementary angles. So, to find out the complementary angle, the angle should be less than or equal to 90. Okay. Next, what is supplementary angle? A pair of angles whose sum is 180 degrees are known as supplementary angles. If you want to find out supplementary angle, the angle should be less than or equal to 180, not more than 180. What is conjugate angles? A pair of angles whose sum is 360 degrees are known as conjugate angles. If you want to find out conjugate angles, the angle should be less than or equal to 360. So, number 1, complementary angle. Number 2, supplementary angle. Number 3, conjugate angle. Complementary angles means sum of two angles 90 degrees. Supplementary angles means sum of two angles 180 degrees. Conjugate angles means sum of two angles 360 degrees. So, see problem. Do this problem in page number 76. There is do this problem. See the problem once. Write the complementary angle, supplementary angle and conjugate angle for the following angles. So what to find out? Number 1, complementary angle. Number 2, supplementary angle. Number 3, conjugate angle for the following angles. What is the rule to find out complementary angle? The angle should be less than or equal to 90. What is the rule to find out supplementary angle? The angle should be less than or equal to 180. What is the rule to find out conjugate angle? The angle should be less than or equal to 360. This is the first problem, 45 degrees. So, you need to find out complementary angle of 45, supplementary angle of 45, similarly conjugate angle of 45. Second one 75, third one 215, fourth one 30 degrees, fifth one 60 degrees, next one 90 degrees, last one 180 degrees. See the answers once. How to get the angles? So last one is 180. So I am writing here. Last one 180 degrees. See the solution. So what to find out? Number 1, complementary angle. Number 2, supplementary angle. Number 3, conjugate. See the first one, 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Complementary angle of 45. CA for complementary angle. Okay na? So, or you can write full also. Complementary angle of 45. So, what is the rule to find out complementary angle? The angle should be less than or equal to 90. How to get complementary angle? Subtract from 90. Subtract from 90. 90 minus 45 how much? 45. Next, supplementary angle of 45. Supplementary angle of 45. How to get supplementary angle? Subtract from 180. So 180 minus 45. How much? 135. Third one is what? Conjugate angle. Third one is what? Conjugate angle. How to get conjugate angle? Subtract from 360. So 360 minus 45. How much? 360 minus 45? 315. See all the three. First one, complementary angle. Second one, supplementary angle. Third one, conjugate. How to get complementary angle? Subtract from 90. How to get supplementary angle? Subtract from 180. How to get conjugate angle? Subtract from 360. 360 minus 45, how much? 315. See the second one. Second problem is what? 75 degrees. Number 2, 75 degrees. Complementary angle. How to get complementary angle? Subtract from 90. So 90 minus 75 equal to 15. Second one, supplementary angle. Subtract from 180. We get 105. Third one, conjugate angle. How to get conjugate angle? Subtract from 360. 360 minus 75. How much? 285. First one, complementary angle 90 minus 75. Second one, supplementary angle 180 minus 75. Third one, conjugate 360 minus 75. Third one is what? 215. First, complementary angle. What is the rule to find out complementary angle? The angle should be less than or equal to 90. So here, what is the angle? 215. It is more than 90. So there is no complementary angle. For 215, there is no complementary angle. Supplementary angle. What is the rule to find out supplementary angle? The angle should be less than or equal to 180. So there is no supplementary angle. Third one, conjugate. How to get conjugate? Subtract from 360. So 360 minus 215. How much? 145. So that is about third one. Fourth one is what? 30 degrees. Complementary angle. How much? 90 minus 30. 60. Supplementary angle. Second one, supplementary angle. 180 minus 30. 150. Third one, conjugate. 360 minus 30. 330. That is about 30. See the fourth one, fifth one, 60 degrees. Fifth one, 60 degrees. So, fifth one is 60 degrees. Complementary angle equal to, how to get 90 minus 60, 30. Number 1, supplementary. Number 2, supplementary angle 180 minus 60, 120. Third one, conjugate equal to, how to get conjugate? 180 minus, 360 minus 60 equal to 300. That is about 60 degrees. Next, 90 degrees. F. So 90 degrees. Complementary angle. How to get complementary angle? Subtract from 90. 90 minus 90 equal to 0. Supplementary angle equal to, how to get supplementary angle? 180 minus 90 equal to 90. Third one, conjugate. 360 minus 90, 270. That is about 90 degrees. Last one is what? 180 degrees. Last one, 180. G width. 180 degrees. Complementary angle. What is the complementary angle of 180 degrees? To find out the complementary angle, what is the rule? The angle should be less than or equal to 90. But here how much? 180. So there is no complementary angle. supplementary angle 180 minus 180 minus 180 equal to 0. Conjugate 360 minus 180 equal to 180. So complementary angles means 90 minus. To get the complementary angle, subtract from 90. To get the supplementary angle, subtract from 180. To get the conjugate, subtract from 360. Note on the problem once. Okay. Next problem, page number 76. Do the second sum. Write on the problem first, page number 76. Very important. Do this, page number 76. Do the second sum. Some diagrams are given, and what we need to find out, which pairs of the above angles becomes complementary angles or supplementary angles. Some diagrams are given. Draw the diagrams, write the question. First diagram, angle how much? 30 degrees. Second diagram how much? 60 degrees. Third diagram how much? 120 degrees. So three diagrams are given. What we need to find out, which diagrams forms complementary angles, which diagrams forms supplementary angles. Okay na? So what is complementary angles? Sum of two angles 90 degrees. What is supplementary angles? Sum of two angles 180 degrees. So if the sum is 90 degrees, they are known as complementary angles. Less than 90, not complementary. Okay na? Next, what is supplementary angles? Two angles sum 180 degrees are known as supplementary angles. If it is less than 180, not supplementary angle. See the first diagram, 30 degrees. 30 degrees is what? Generally acute angle, less than 90. Second one is what? 60 degrees. It is also acute angle, less than 90. Third one is what? 120 degrees. What is 120? It is more than 90, obtuse angle. So first one acute, second one acute, third one obtuse. So what to find out? Which diagrams forms complementary angles, which diagrams forms supplementary angles. What is complementary angle? Sum of two angles 90 degrees. What is supplementary angles? Sum of two angles 180 degrees. See the first diagram, 30. What are the angles in the diagram? 30, 60, 120. So what are the angles? 30, 60, 120. Okay na? Then you observe which two angles forms complementary angles, which two angles form supplementary angles. Add them. Suppose first angle 30, second angle 60. Add them. How much? 30 plus 60 how much? 90 degrees. First angle 30, second angle 60. Add them. So 30 plus 60 how much? 90. So 90 means they are complementary angles. So first one, first angle 30, first diagram 30 plus second diagram 60. Total how much? 90 degrees. So these are complementary angles. Complementary angles. See next one. First angle 30, third angle 120. 30 plus 120 how much? Second one. 30 plus 120 how much? 150. 30 plus 120 how much? 150. So not complementary, not supplementary, nothing. So into not complementary, not supplementary. Third one. See the third possibility. Second angle how much? 60. Third angle how much? 120. 60 plus 120 how much? 180. 180 means it is nothing but supplementary angles. Okay na? Supplementary angles. First angle 30, second angle 60. Add them 90. So 90 means they are complementary angles. Next, first angle 30, third angle 120. How much? 150. Not complementary, not supplementary. Third angle, third one. Second angle how much? 60. Third angle how much? 120. Add them 180. They are what? Supplementary angles. So write the answer once. Okay students, in the next class we start exercise 4.1. Thank you students.